is 202569835.
Hi, my name is Umi Izati binti Jamalian and my matric number is 20254016992.
Hi, my name is Nunisha Alani binti Safoni. My matrix number is 2025219306.
A few moments later.
For question 1, chapter 3, compound interest, this is the formula that we use. And for question 2, chapter 4, annuity, this is the formula that we use. In compound interest, interest may become due several times during the term of investment or loan, but it is not payable. The unpaid interest added to the principal and earned interest thereafter. This process is called compounding, and the interest become due periodically at the end of each compounding period. And for annuity, annuity is a special concept by financial firm to offer an investment or loan, and also annuity is a financial arrangement in which an individual deposits a sum of money with an investment firm at a specified interest rate and subsequently withdraws fixed amount, including the interest, paid out regularly for a set period of time.
Question 1A. What is Ronald initial investment in this unit trust? So, here we have S equal to 30,000, R equal to 4.3% equal to 0.043. I equal to K per M equal to 0.043 per 2. N equal to MT equal to 29 bracket equal to 18. Compound every 6 months, M equal to 2, T equal to 9. So, we use the S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N formula. Then, we just put the information follow the formula that have given. 30,000 equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.043 per 2 bracket 18. So, the answer that we get is 20,456 ringgit 46 cent. Question B, Roman 1. Calculate the maturity value of each unit trust investment and the total maturity values by January 2039. The total interest that we get is 30,000 ringgit plus 5,500 ringgit, and we get the answer is 35,500 ringgit. Invest in two separate units, which is KST Equity Fund and WMS Conservative Fund. Then 35,500 divide 2 and we get 17,750 ringgit. We find the KST Equity Fund first. P equal to 17,750 ringgit, R equal to 4.98% equal to 0.0498. I equal to K per M equal to 0.0498 per 4. N equal to MT equal to 4 bracket 10 equal to 40. Compound quarterly, M equal to 4, and we find the T equal to 2039 minus 2020, and we get the answer 19. Then 19 minus 9 according to question 1A after 9 years in January. The answer is 10. We use S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N, 17,750 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.0498 per 4 bracket 40. At 40. The answer is S equal to 29,116 ringgit 67 cent. Then we calculate the WMS Conservative Fund. P equal to 17,750 ringgit, R equal to 5% equal to 0.05, I equal to 0.05 per 12, N equal to 12 bracket 10 equal to 120. Then compound monthly, M equal to 12, T equal to 10. We use the same formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N equal to 17,750 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.05 per 12 bracket 120. So the answer is S equal to 29,234 ringgit 42 cent. So we find the maturity value KST Equity Fund plus WMS Conservative Fund, and the answer is 58,351 ringgit 9 cent. WMS Conservative Fund is better deal because its maturity value is 29,234 ringgit 42 cent, is slightly higher than KST with maturity value 29,116.67 cent, a difference of about 170 ringgit 75 cent. This is because although the nominal rates are close 4.98% to 5.00%, compounding frequency and nominal rate together determine the effective annual rate.
For question Roman 3, calculate the total interest earned from this investment from January 2020 until January 2039. So for the formula of interest earned is I equal to S minus P. 58,351 ringgit and 9 cents minus in bracket 20,456 and 46 cents plus 70,750. So the answer will be 20,144 ringgit and 63 cents. Let's moving forward for the question A. Calculate the total accumulated amount of the fund after 10 years. So we're going to use formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. P equals to 3,500, R equal to 3.1% or 0.031, M equals to 12, T equal to 10, I equal to 0.031 over 12, N equal to 120. S equal to 3,500 in bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 power of 120. So the answer will be 47,781 cents. For the question B, find the amount that Nur Amina can withdraw every month from the account while she is in college. So we need to find R. So for the formula is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of N over I. So for the A is 47,781 cents, R equal to 0.031, M equal to 12, T equal to 12, N equal to 36. 47,781 cents equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 power of negative 36 over 0.031 over 12. So the answer will be 1,389 ringgit and 28 cents.
Firstly, we list down the information. So the car price is 65,000. The down payment is 15% multiplied by 65,000 equals to 9,750. The K is 4% and the compounded amount is M. So the M is 12 and the time is 7 years. After that, we wrote down the formula. So the formula that we use are A equals R, 1 minus 1 plus I divided by I. And then we put the information inside the formula. And then the R is 755.20. Lastly, the interest charge formula are I equals to N R minus A. So I equals 83 in bracket 755.20 minus 55250 equals to 80,186.8%. So the formula that we use for question C Roman 2 is S equal R in bracket 1 minus I divided by I. The I is 0.04 divided by 12. So we put the information inside the formula. We get 4,569.13 cents. So question C Roman 3, we use the same formula as before, which is A equals R, 1 minus 1 plus I divided by I. So N, we got 84 minus 60, we get 24. And we put the information into the formula. We get 17390.94. So the first 5 year, we have a 755.20 cent multiplied by 60. We get 45,312. Full loan is 17390.94 plus 45,312. We get 62,702.94. Interest paid is 62,702.94 minus 55250 equals to 7,452.92 cents.